Okay, guys, let's talk about this product for a second. It is Love at First Tan, and it's darker. It's a violet base 1 hour self tan, and it's a mousse. Okay, so I'm like white. Like my legs were like, let's go to the beach and scare everybody white. And I was like, I live in Florida. I cannot do that. Okay, but the thing is, I love to cover up because skin cancer runs in my family, and I really don't want melanoma. Yeah, not in my plan for now or in the future. So I was going to Walmart last night, getting some groceries, and I saw this, and I was like, hmm, I'm gonna try that because it's like knocks out orange tones, and I don't like orange. I just want a nice sun-kissed looking tan. So, okay, funny story. So I go to put this on, and I'm like, and so it's a mousse. So you just rub it wherever you want, arms, legs, belly, whatever you want. Okay, and you put it on, and then you wait an hour, and then you shower. And so I was like, oh, okay, like I think it must be working. It looked really nice. I got a picture, and I took a shower, and I came out completely white like before, and I was like, oh my gosh, this. I was like, well, that was a waste of money. I'm gonna go return it because obviously nothing worked. Oh, just for record, I did not do my face because I already have a little sun-kissed look just from being in the sun because we go to the park all the time. So that's why my legs were just scary white. Scary white. Okay, so anyway, so I shower and I go to bed and I wake up and I look at my legs and they are sun-kissed. I love it. I love it. You get 5 stars from me. Because let me tell you, I haven't tried a self-tanning before. Okay, the only like thing is like it sort of stains your hands. I didn't wear gloves, and I read the directions. No, I bought it, and then it said to get the gloves, but I was already home, and I was like, okay, we're just gonna. And I was so easy to go downstairs and put on plastic ones, but I didn't think it would like stain if I washed it off immediately, but it does. It gives you just a little bit of stain, but it's like not too bad, so it's fine. Okay, so here's a quick video of my leg, and you can tell it's not as white.